battle ninyo. Alright? Our darling of the crowd is... Who's your bet? The darling of the crowd! Malakas siya yung narinig kong sinabi ng nasa likuran ko. Our darling of the crowd is... Your queen, contestant number 1, Megan Winter! First, we have their Kapitana, Johnny Saho, and of course, SP, Chairperson, Rocky. Mga anak, sa mga pinagkainan natin, itapon sa basurahan po para malinis ang ating venue, ha? Oh. Huwag po tayo magkakala. Picture po tayo. SK Kagawad Noy. Next. Our best in drag makeup. Best in drag makeup goes to Drag Queen contestant number. Who's your bet? Grabe. Our best in drag makeup will be receiving a gift voucher enhancement from Brows and Lashes Aesthetic Center. Grabe. Sino kaya ang maserteng drag queen dito? Who's your bet? Malakas, ikaw ang sinisigaw nila. Our best in drag makeup is Drag Queen contestant number 3, Maya Winter Sparkles! And of course, to award this, ladies and gentlemen, may we request there our very own Kagawad FND and Kagawad Christy Cabalse. Grabe. Maraming salamat po sa Brows and Lashes po. Grabe po yung support po ninyo sa akin. Thank you so much. Alright.